I'm inviting you to move your body with me. In this video, we are going to be exploring something very important, our feelings. Let's start with a warm-up. As we warm up our bodies, we are also going to warm up our voice. Reach over to one side and say, ooh, ooh, ooh. Reach to the other side and say, ah, ah, ah. Bend your knees, open your hands and your mouth real wide. Say, wow, 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 wow. And now you're going to do and say, twist, twist, twist. Other side, twist, twist, twist. Let's speed that up. Ooh, ah, wow, 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 wow. Twist, twist. Again, ooh, ah, wow, 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 twist, twist, again, ooh, ah, wow, 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 twist, twist, again, ooh, ah, wow, twist, twist. Our words are a powerful tool to express how we are feeling. Our bodies and our facial expressions can say a lot too. Let's play a little game. I'm gonna make a face. You make the same face. Then say out loud which feeling or emotion goes with that face. I'm sad. How would you finish this sentence? I feel sad when... What is the time that you felt sad? How can you tell if someone else is feeling sad? Happy! Finish this sentence. I feel happy when... What is something that makes you happy? How can you tell when someone else is feeling happy? Scared. I feel scared when... When do you feel scared? How can you tell if someone else is feeling scared or afraid? Angry. Finish this sentence. I feel angry or frustrated when... What's something that makes you feel angry or frustrated? How can you tell when somebody else is angry or frustrated? Can you use your entire body to show that you are feeling proud? When I feel proud, I hold my chest up high, my head up high. I feel so proud of myself. And I feel so proud of you. How can you use your entire body to show that you are happy? You make me so happy. I'm so happy to be here with you. How can you show that you are sad using your entire body? I'm sad. I'm sad that we can't be together. I'm sad because I miss my friends. How can you use your entire body to show that you are surprised? Oh, I'm You're so expressive. Now, let's see if we can move our body to show different feelings. I'm going to play different music, and let's see if we can move our bodies to show and feel different emotions. How would you move your body to this music to show that you feel happy? How would you move your body to this music to show that you feel sad? How would you move your body to this music to show that you feel angry or frustrated? Now move your body to this music any way you like. That was fun. You've got some really good moves. Now it's time to cool down. Make sure that you're sitting up or standing up nice and tall. We're going to use our hands as we take a deep breath to scoop the air around us. Again. Last one. Now give yourself a squeeze and a pat on the back. And go ahead and tell yourself something that you like about yourself. Here's an idea for something you can do later. You have been so expressive with your words, your face, and your entire body as we've been talking about and exploring feelings and emotions. You can use all of that to play a game of emotional charades. You can make little cards that have faces and words of different feelings or emotions and take turns getting each other to guess the feeling or emotion on the card by using your face, your entire body, or even your words. Thank you so much for moving your body with me and exploring our feelings and emotions together.